Hello everyone and welcome to the Friday analysis. In terms of the news, the crude oil news came out. There was only a little bit of US dollar volatility there. But apart from that, that was really about it really. Finishing off the week with GBPUSD, we can see we've had that huge push to the upside early morning on the Friday. So if you did take any trades around there, I think it would have been cool. I think I told you before, like just to wait over this period and just let the moves handle and play out because there's less players in the market, low volatility, low volume here, so immediate breakouts, and you'll see across other pairs where huge breakouts has occurred. Like this has a big breakout to the upside. And obviously we'll have a look in detail for next week in regards to the weekly analysis. Coming to Euro USD, as I was saying about that huge pushes, we found that was for Euro had strength to the upside and coming to test our top zone here. So if you did take a short, as I was saying, as of yesterday, your stop loss would have been broken. So you would have been stopped out, and like I said, it's part of the game that you lose. Hopefully you didn't take too much of a loss though. Like I said, there's always other opportunities. Like for example, we could find next week a short here, or we could be going even long after this confirmation of this zone if it acts as support or resistance. But like I said, we'll go into that further detail in the weekly analysis videos, which is coming out tomorrow. USDJPY still sideways moving. If you did take a short here, I don't think many people did. It just depends on the session that you're trading on. Nice evening star formation there. However, I think the reward to risk ratio was a bit out of place, but nonetheless, let's just say, for example, no one took the trade there. There was no real potential trade for the day. Finishing off with the week, and finally with gold, we had that huge push to the upside as we were talking about in this week. And was expecting some reversal or some slowing down in terms of momentum towards this yellow zone, and we did find that. So we'll obviously look into it and what happens next week in regards to the weekly analysis, like I keep saying. But yeah, crude oil did take some hits with gold. And we found that the slowing of momentum in this area, so we'll discuss about that next week. In regards to any of our future videos though, I hope you are understanding this strategy a bit more now. Like I said, keep following along. It may take a lot of people, it may take you a while to kind of understand it and get to grips with it. That's why I suggest using the time off that you do have to your advantage. So for example, backtesting, or to assess the method if it's comfortable with yourself, and hopefully you start to kind of see some returns, or potential returns at least, in future trading. So if you want to continue with that, make sure you subscribe for all the future analysis videos, etc. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.